Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm unboxing my Boxyluxe. Yes, it is that time of the year. Every 3 months, if you get Boxycharm and you subscribe to Boxyluxe, you get it every 3 months, 4 times a year. So today is March. So this is the Boxyluxe for March. Here is the little card. I love it. It says La Vienne Rose. Anyways, on the back, it has everything in the box along with the price, and I don't want to look at it because I don't know what is in the box. I have restrained myself from watching anyone else's videos. My hair is driving me nuts. I haven't worn it down in forever because our weather has been insane. I'm probably going to just go in the bathroom and put it up after this video. Anyways, first thing I see is a bag, and this is trying to find it. If you're that is my grandson getting a bath. I'm trying to find the bag. Okay, it's a Boxycharm train case. Just another perk of being a charmer. This exclusive Boxycharm cosmetics case is not only extremely chic, but very spacious and perfect for the charmer who has to take their glam on the go. Retails for $20. So this is exclusive to the Boxyluxe, I believe. It is definitely like a rose gold, beautiful case. Very good for travel, if you're going on a short trip. Oh, how cute. And this is Boxycharm. This is definitely a keeper. I have enough makeup bags, but this is just too cute. I'm going to be keeping this. I love the color. I love the way it says Boxycharm in it. I will keep this, and when I go on like a short trip for one night or what have you, I will use this and take that with me. I have like a bag of bags that is going to be in my declutter. I have not forgotten about that. So just stay tuned for that. If you guys are interested in seeing my Heck Yeah, So and Hell No video, I have not done literally in about 4 months. I have items that are definitely stand out. It's very, very good, kind of so, and very, very bad. If you want to see that video, let me know and I will put it together. You can leave a comment in the comment section. Remember, all your comments pertain to the giveaway. Now we are on the I can't talk today. I don't know what is wrong with me. I have a pounding headache. It feels like a vice is on my head. I woke up like that. So anyways, moving on, we have the iconic London eyebrow cushion. I own this. This, I'm trying to find what it retails for. Now that I'm reading everything on here, it's just superb. Okay, this is the powder and, no, here we go, eyebrow cushion. Give your brows the wow they deserve with iconic sculpt and boost eyebrow. I don't know what's wrong with me. Sorry, you guys. Eyebrow cushion. The innovative 2-shade liquid brow compact allows for fuller looking brows. Half of the effort, the highly pigmented formula glides on effortlessly, while the angled brush makes for a precise application. This retails for $40. And I did purchase my own, which is right here. I hope that this is the right shade. I don't know. I don't know if I want to open it yet or not, because I don't know if I want to keep it. Anyways, here it is. This is the one I have. I've had it for at least a year now. I don't even know if the liquid, like, because it's like a liquid. Oh, yeah. Oh, geez. Well, it's still good. I mean, that's there. That's for sure. Oh, my goodness. I didn't expect that. Wow. Okay. Anyways, I love the brush in this. It is really, really good. I forgot. I literally forgot I had this. I have a brow drawer right here on my beauty desk, or whatever you want to call it. and it is in the drawer, but it's in the back. So anyways, you take this angled brow and you go through, you swipe through both shades, and then you start to kind of, you know, do your brows. And it is really, really good, actually. I think I'm going to start using mine now that I remembered I have it. And then I always wipe this off when I am done to put it back in clean. That is just mean you get really fine strokes. Kind of reminds me of the Urban Decay, which is right in front of me. And this is the Brow Blade, which you get really fine strokes with as well. So yeah, kind of reminds me of that when I was using it just now. I do like it. It is good. I might keep this for a backup. Well, let's just throw it while I'm at it. Anyways, I might keep this one for a backup. I don't know if it says the shade though. But anyways, okay, let's move on from that. Okay. The next item in here is the Wander Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. First things first is I don't like peel off masks. I feel like they, I don't know, that's just kind of annoying, but this might be good. Let me find it. Okay, here it is. It retails for $34. It says containing a blend of skin loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee. If I say something wrong, pardon me. Mangosteen and green tea leaf extracts. Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, brightening complexion. I might try it. I love a good mask, and I might give it a shot. So there's that. Trying to move some of this around. Then we have some Lily lashes, and these retail for, mind you, this box is $49.99, so I've already got more than my money's worth. These, I'm trying to find them. Yep. Okay, they retail for $24.99. Okay. Exclusive Fox Mink Gaia lashes. Add volume, length, and drama to your lashes with your new limited edition Fox Mink Gaia pair of Lily lashes. The wing style cruelty-free lashes are durable enough to give you up to 20 wears. That's a lot. That's a lot of wears. I will keep these. I don't like fake lashes because they always, I feel like I have a shadow over my eye, and it drives me nuts. But there are certain times I really want to wear them, when I do collabs and when I just feel like it. So I'm going to keep them. Those are cute. I like that style. It was like perfect. They're not too bam, and they're not just really just, you know, kind of bland. They're perfect. This is super exciting. This is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream. Wow. MSRP $48. Developed with plastic surgeons, Confidence in a Cream is your new #1 anti-aging moisturizer. Perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. This quick absorbing super cream immerses your skin in moisture, restores visible radiance, reduces the look of pores, discoloration, lines, and wrinkles, and improves the look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. I have never tried this. I think I had a sample and I think I gave it away. I'm super excited. I just finished one of my moisturizers last night. I've been using forever, and I am excited for this, you guys. That is great. And this is $48 alone. I mean, it was a big bottle is 2 fluid ounces. It's not a mini. It's a full. These are all full-size products. Deborah Lippmann, and these are nail polishes. They retail for $20. The dual patented formula in your Deborah Lippmann to be set lets you bring the nail salon home. The 10 active ingredients help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails, giving you the effects of gel polish without the damage. That would be great, but I go and I do get gel French tip done. I go about once a month. I find the gel French tip lasts the longest because they are the same color as my real nail. So when they start to grow out, it does not stand out like it would if I had a full-on color. I don't know if I'm going to keep these or put them in a giveaway. I'm not going to open them. But they will probably be in one of my giveaways because I'm not going to use them. Oh, okay. And then we have a Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. This retails for $45. 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. The talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with a brightener and finishing powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere you go. Let's open this baby up. Ooh, now that is pretty. There's a mirror here. The mirror is kind of like coated. Hard to explain. It must have, it's got to peel off. That's why. Like, hello, has a peel off sticker, so it's covering it so it doesn't glare in your face. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna swatch it right now. Here are the 2 highlighters. Let's see, where should I put these? Right here. Oh yeah, pretty. Oh my gosh. And then a contour and a blush. Ooh, that contour might be a little light for my skin, but I will give it a shot. You can always mix it up with other ones. The finishing powder and the brightener. I've been really into face palettes lately. And this is right up my alley. Oh my gosh, you can't really see them, I know. But that is the finishing powder, and this is the brightener. I am so excited for this palette. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh, good stuff. Good stuff. This is going to be a color switch for me. I use the heck out of those. Now we have the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. Ooh, in burgundy. Okay, it's found on the card. Retails for $24. It is a moisturizing 8-hour-long wear silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid. And I have one from the, it's right here. The Becca times Chloe. This is Cupid's Kiss. And this one is burgundy. I absolutely love this lipstick. It is so moisturizing. And I'm assuming this is the exact same formula. And the color on the outside looks amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it. That's gorgeous. So beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. I thought it was going to be like a liquid highlighter or something. This is amazing. And then last but not least, we have a 15D Day Slayer palette. And it is by Morphe. It retails for $16. Indulge in infinite eye looks. This mirrored palette features 15 crazy, creamy, powerful pigment shades so you can mix, match, and blend the rules. Oh no, that's not the last thing. There's something else in there. Okay, I am pretty sure I have this palette. I'm going to open it, but I'm not going to touch the eyeshadows because I want to make sure, because my memory's like, woohoo. Let's just check it out. Oh yes, I have this. I even put it up next to the new Morphe bronze palette. I will be giving this away. I don't want to touch any more of it. It is an absolutely stunning palette. This palette's gorgeous, you guys. And it is perfect for springtime, which is right around the corner. So, yay. I love getting stuff to give away as well. It makes me very happy. So, this will be in a future giveaway for sure. And last but not least, I almost didn't see these and they're a little bit crushed. These are the Moda, I've never heard of those, powder and soft glow brushes. Let's find them on the card. Okay, they retail for $29.99. Your new Moda 2-piece powder and soft glow kits is the ultimate dynamic duo. 2 brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and 2-toned synthetic brush hair make this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. Again, it retails for $29.99. Let's open this up. See what they look like. Ooh, I love the handles. They feel kind of cheap, like a cheap plastic almost, but they look gorgeous. I like how they slim down, you know, easy, very light, easy to hold. I will definitely be using these. I've never heard of this brand. I'm super excited to use them. They feel very, very soft. Okay, so that is it for my Boxyluxe. I have another switch palette or whatever you want to call it. This has got to be the most outstanding monthly subscription, period. It is the only monthly box I get. I do order the FabFitFun when there is something seasonal I see that I like. And I am getting the spring box, but it's just, you know, taking a bit because they send out to the ones that, you know, pay for the whole year first. That's fine. But this is, Boxyluxe is the only one I've kept that is every month. Whether it's Boxyluxe, Boxyluxe, I love them both. I did record a Boxyluxe video for the month of February, but by the time I have recorded it and I have so many other videos I wanted up, it was kind of old news. So let me know if you guys want to see that, if you care anymore. The month is over, what have you. But I can't recommend this enough, not just for the Boxyluxe, but the Boxyluxe is phenomenal and I love it every month. Some months are better than others. This is absolutely an amazing month. So I'm super happy with it. Way, way, way more than my money back. And I love this card. It's beautiful. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments in the comment section below. Let me know if you get the Boxyluxe as well or any monthly subscriptions. And I will see you very soon. Also, let me know if you want to see my Heck Yeah, So or Hell No. And I will put that video together. Have a great day.